How to turn off comments on TikTok live. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can turn off comments on any TikTok live, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn off comments on any TikTok live, so if I just go ahead and then open the TikTok application here, what you want to do is just tap the plus icon that you can find from the very bottom of the screen, and if you're eligible for a live session, you will be able to find the live section right next to the templates. And when you are either before or maybe even during a live video, you have to just tap on settings on the side, then you have to tap on comment section, then choose your preferences for the settings such as allow comments or turn comments on or off for viewing during a live section. So it depends upon whether you're before the live session or during a live session. You can turn it off either way if you look at it in the settings option. This way you can turn off comments on any TikTok live. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.